got in the cab. It's a lift cab. Oh, you're back, huh? I see you're back. I see you back, huh? I'm back too. See that? If we would have never been here, they would have took those guys out that cab. I could hear him in there saying, we're ready, we're on our way to a hotel. That was a Lyft cab driver. He just finished picking up his fare somewhere here. You got to call those cabs to come get you. So that cab came to come get them. The police seen them jump in the cab to go where they're going, and they pull them over. All right? Like I said, if CPU wasn't here filming this, those kids would have been taken out of that cab, searched, and all that. They know who we are. Those officers right there, they know who we are because we do this neighborhood a lot. So they don't want to get caught doing what we always catch them doing. And that's why they just went back. Why would they stop him just to ask him a question? Makes no sense. You stop the car to ask him a question, I sit and get back in your car and go. Why would you want to ask him a question? Makes no sense.